Chit Chat English.
Good morning. Please sign in here. What is your name?
Good morning. My name is Mark Davis.
Thank you, Mark. Please sit down. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you. How long is the wait?
About 10 minutes. Is this your first visit here?
No, I was here last year. But I have a new problem now.
Okay. The doctor will ask you, can you tell me your symptoms quickly?
Yes, I have a sore throat, a headache, and I feel very tired.
How long have you felt this way?
Since Monday. Today is Thursday, so about 4 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little. 37.8 degrees.
Okay. The doctor will see you now. Room 3, please.
Hello, come in and sit down. So, what is the problem?
Hello, doctor. I feel terrible. My throat hurts when I swallow.
I see. Open your mouth, please. Say ah.
Ah,
Yes, your throat is red. Do you have a cough?
a little, yes, especially at night.
Are you eating and drinking normally?
Not much. It hurts to swallow. But I drink a lot of water.
Good. Water is very important. I think you have a throat infection.
Is it serious?
No, not serious, but you need antibiotics. I will give you a prescription.
How many days do I take them?
7 days. Take 1 tablet in the morning and 1 at night.
Should I stay home from work?
Yes, rest for 2 days. Then you can return to work.
Okay. And what food should I eat?
Try soft food. Soup is perfect. Avoid cold drinks.
Understood. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Come back in a week if you don't feel better.
Hello. I'm calling about the apartment on Oak Street. Is it still available?
Hello. Yes, it's still available. Are you interested?
Yes, very much. I saw it online. It looks nice. Can you tell me more?
Of course. It's a 2-bedroom apartment on the 3rd floor.
Third floor. Is there a lift?
Yes, the building has a lift. No problem.
Great. How big is it?
It's 65 square meters. A living room, 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, and a bathroom.
What is the monthly rent?
$850 per month. Water and heating are included.
Electricity is not included?
No, you pay electricity separately, but it's not much, around $40 a month.
I see. Is the apartment furnished?
Partly. There is a bed, a sofa, a dining table, and a fridge. No washing machine.
Okay. Is it a quiet neighborhood?
Yes, very quiet. It's near a park. Not many cars on that street.
How far is it from the city center?
About 20 minutes by bus. There is a bus stop just outside.
That's convenient. And is there parking?
Yes, there is one parking space included with the apartment.
Perfect. Can I come and see it?
Of course. Are you free this Saturday morning?
Yes, Saturday is good. What time?
Let's say 10 a.m. I'll send you the address by message.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to seeing it.
See you Saturday. I think you'll really like it.
You look happy today. What happened?
I got some good news this morning.
Really? What was it?
I passed an important test.
That's great. Were you nervous?
Yes, very nervous.
How did you feel when you saw the result?
I couldn't stop smiling.
Who was the first person you told?
I called my mother.
What did she say?
She said she was proud of me.
Did you celebrate?
A little. I bought myself a nice coffee.
If you had $1 million, what would you do?
That's a difficult question.
Would you spend it or save it?
I'd do both.
What's the first thing you would buy?
A comfortable house for my family.
What is your biggest dream?
To travel around the world.
Which country would you visit first?
Maybe Japan.
Why Japan?
The culture looks interesting.
Have you ever met a famous person?
No, never.
Would you like to?
Yes, I think so.
Who would you like to meet?
Someone who inspires people.
What's the strangest food you've tried?
I once tried very spicy noodles.
Were they good?
Not really. They were too spicy.
Can you keep a secret?
Yes, I can.
What's a good secret?
A surprise birthday party.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, but only good ones.
What was your best birthday?
The one I spent with my family.
Did you get many gifts?
A few, but the memories were better.
What's something you want to learn this year?
I'd like to speak English more naturally.
Do you ever talk to yourself in English?
Sometimes I do.
Really? What do you say?
I practice daily conversations.
Has it helped?
Yes, a lot.
What would you do if you could travel back in time?
I'd visit my younger self.
What advice would you give?
Don't worry so much.
Do you worry often?
Less than before.
What makes you feel confident?
Being prepared.
What's the nicest thing someone said to you?
They told me not to give up.
Did you remember those words?
Yes, I still remember them.
Do you believe everything happens for a reason?
Sometimes I do.
What makes a friendship strong?
Trust and honesty.
How many close friends do you have?
Just a few.
Is that enough?
Yes, quality is more important.
What makes someone interesting?
They have good stories and experiences.
Do you like listening to people's stories?
Yes, very much.
What's the funniest thing that happened recently?
I waved at someone who wasn't waving at me.
What happened then?
I felt embarrassed and laughed. Did the other person laugh too? Yes, thankfully.
Do you make mistakes often?
Of course, everyone does.
What do you do after a mistake?
I learn from it.
What's something small that makes you happy?
A kind message from a friend.
When was the last time someone surprised you?
A few weeks ago,
What did they do?
they remembered something I told them months ago.
Why was that special?
It showed they were listening.
If you could ask one question and get the truth, what would you ask?
That's an interesting question.
Do you know the answer?
Not yet.
What's one thing you're excited about?
The future.
Why?
Because anything can happen.
Thank you for sharing.
You're welcome. It was fun talking with you.